How to build an AI that encourages procrastination. Alright, today is the day, no distractions, no excuses, and we are going to be productive and finally get things done. But wait, what if I told you there is an AI that can give you the best possible excuse not to work? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing something really fun, slightly useless, and totally relatable. We are building an AI that actually encourages you to procrastinate. We all know about AI tools that boost productivity, but what if we made that did the exact opposite? This AI will take any task you enter and generate perfect excuses to delay it, ignore it, and straight up abandon it. Sounds fun, right? Let's get started. Normally, a to-do list helps you stay organized. You write tasks, you check them off, and feel productive. But what if instead of helping and your AI friend gave you top tier excuses to not do your work? You add tasks like a responsible adult, AI immediately gives you the reason to delay them. These excuses are sometimes funny, sometimes really absurd, and sometimes completely illogical. Here we are trying to deploy LLaMA 3 API from Hugging Face to generate these responses. So it's basically an AI powered bad influence. Let's be honest, we have all been there. You might have opened a book to study but ended up rearranging your entire room, sat down to do your work and scrolled down your internet or YouTube for fun. So if any of this sounds familiar, this AI is going to be feel painfully relatable. To build this super fun and slightly unnecessary project, all you need is a computer and a little bit of technical knowledge in AI and Hugging Face. And rest of things we can share here. So the concept here is really simple. You just type in a task, example, to do homework. The AI might give you an absurd excuse like, okay, you have to do the homework in 3 hours, but hey, you got 3 hours, you can enjoy your life till that 3 hours is over. You might sit there and rethink your life choices. And just like that, your work is postponed. Alright, let me walk you through how this works. First, I set up a Flask app with session management so that tasks persist while you are logged in. Authentication is handled using OAuth by Hugging Face, which means you need to log in before accessing the task manager. This way, the AI features are secure. You can add a task with a deadline. It gets stored in the session. Simple. Then you can also delete the task if you change your mind. Let's be honest, happens all the time. But this is where it gets fun. We have made a special prompt so that you don't get to start your work at all. We have prompted the AI to generate suitable excuses so that you procrastinate this particular task. So that's what we are planning to make the AI do for you. And since it uses OAuth, once you log out, everything clears up. No tracking, no saving tasks permanently. Just a fun little productivity application. That's all. So at this point, you might be thinking, why? Why would someone create something like this? Things are like because AI does not always need to be serious. We already know how to do productivity hacks, and sometimes we just had to do it for the fun of it. And let's be real, how many times have you opened ChatGPT for work and ended up asking random stuff and random facts and just lost your time in it? Exactly, that's what we are planning to prove here. Now, if you want to bring this AI to real world, you can deploy it as a similar web app using Vercel or any other using AWS maybe, and let your friends use it too. What did we learn today? You might have learned AI is all powerful. It can be really pointless. AI can be absolutely be used to engage or encourage you to take your bad decisions. And yeah, that's exactly what we built today. You're welcome. That's all for today. Let me know in the comments what's the best excuse you have ever made, and stay tuned so that we can bring you more upset projects like this. And by the way, my AI just told me to take a short break.